Welcome back to the 18th annual four-wheel Jamboree right here on the World of Trucks from Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. You know, the free enterprise system has always been living and doing well here in America, and you can't beat this. Drinks for only $1. Hey guys, here are the businessmen. Here are the owners right here. How's the business going today selling drinks?
Good. My dad made the red Jeep. He made the trailer. He makes them out of Barbie Jeeps.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
What's it powered by?
It's a wagon.
It's a wagon. Does it have daddy power?
Yes.
Is this your friend next to you here?
Yes.
You get to ride in that Jeep any?
Mm-hmm.
You think it's pretty cool?
Uh-huh.
Is your dad going to make you one?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I understand your dad is using this Jeep, and he's going to build a big one, a real one, for himself. Is that right?
Yes.
Now, when he does that, are you going to help him?
Yes.
You wouldn't want to sell me your Jeep, would you?
No.
Not for all the money in China.
What?
Do you drive your Jeep very much? Do you ride in it much?
Yeah.
You can't beat this. Doc, I tell you what, you will never find anything like this on the grounds anywhere. This is the only one right here.
Well, Claude, I think I got you on this one. In the mommy and daddy powered class, we have Chips and Baby D right here, and they're good looking Jeep. And as you can tell, I'd be tripping from Virginia. Now these guys are all decked out. They've got the regular Jeep right here, Dad standing by. I tell you, this is a pretty good looking ride.
Yeah, they seem to enjoy it. They like to pass the time riding around the Jamborees in the Jeep and the cart.
And they seem to be having a good time, and they've got the tunes and everything, just like the big truck.
Yeah, they're four-wheel steering, four-link suspension, shocks, AM/FM radio, trailer in the back for the juice, four-wheeler tires, aluminum wheels, the whole 9 yards.
You mean they carry their own juice?
Oh yeah, they have to go prepared because we may be gone for a while.
Well, and that's just like a true 4x4 fan as well. Kids must like monster trucks too, huh?
Oh yeah, they love them. They're chomping at the bit to get over there and see them right now.
Well, there you have it, another generation and another winner in the mommy and daddy powered class here at the four-wheel Jamboree.
It's time once again for Product Highlight, featuring some of the most interesting and innovative aftermarket products for your vehicle. Now, Bill Stevens.
On this Product Highlight, something for those of you with an extended cab pickup that might feel, a little disadvantaged because the size of your pickup bed doesn't get it done. Herb Reynolds is the president of Tailguard Incorporated. You have a solution to folks that have an extended cab pickup but want a little more room.
Yes, we do. And we've come out with a brand new fold-away pickup truck extender that is about 1.5 inches thick. When it's folded down, locks down with key for security. Does a full 270-degree rotation, however, that none of the other units do. So if you need to use ramps and what have you, you don't have to take anything off the vehicle itself. It'll support a 5,000-pound force shift within the unit, so it will maintain and contain any legal limit in the back of any light-duty pickup truck.
For somebody like me not terrifically mechanically inclined, how difficult is it to install one of these?
Take you approximately 20 minutes to install this on a Ford or a Dodge unit. Chevy units and GMC units and Nissan units will require 2 to 4 extra holes to be drilled in them. So depending on the expertise of the individual doing the installation and his ability to use a common drill, it could take another half hour.
Geez, I think even I could do that. All right. Hey, if you feel a little disadvantaged because you got a short pickup behind your extended cab, well, you won't feel that way anymore, thanks to Tailguard.
I'm thinking late 1940s. Sunshine yellow paint, Chevrolet, lifted truck, probably got some good stuff underneath the horsepower. I tell you one thing, it catches one's eyes. It's a nice looking ride. What's the year?
49.
49. How long you had it?
Since 92.
Doing a lot of work yourself on it?
Everything myself.
Let's start underneath the hood. What's the power count?
454.
Makes sense, doesn't it? Gotta love it.
Yeah.
What about the lift?
It's just a 12-inch Chevy lift.
Did you do that yourself?
Yeah, bent the springs myself. And
why go with a late model vehicle like this? It's a beautiful looking ride. It's probably the only one here, but why?
Jersey has bad lift laws. You put historical plates on it and drive it. And I just like to be different.
Definitely is different. What do you plan to do with this truck in the future?
sell it.
It's a nice looking ride out of New Jersey. How many years you been coming to the Jamboree?
Oh, numerous years.
Why come from New Jersey to Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania?
It's a thing to do.
Definitely the thing to do. For four-wheel Jamboree fans, everyone has got a reason to come to Bloomsburg, but it usually centers around having a good time with some friends.
Thanks, Doc. Let's have some more fun out at the Burnout Contest. This will bring up Brent Moser. Rick, so far we've seen some guys use a lot of horsepower, but some of the rules, no nitrous oxide or funny fuel, and must have an automatic transmission.
Right, those are really safety factors. You can see that Brett's machine has the zoomy headers up through the hood. Totally different way to exit that exhaust instead of under there. And there's a little bit of leakage in the front.
Well, he created a lot of horsepower, a lot of smoke too. The crowd roars its approval. That will bring up Seth Seja and his 95 Chevy.
A little more stock-looking truck. This looks like it may be his work truck. Smoke, not quite as exciting, not as much noise. I don't know how the crowd's going to respond to this truck.
You know, sometimes, Rick, it's a little hard to separate work from play, but some guys do it.
Many times it's all the same thing.
And a good job there. World of Trucks is being brought to you by Hallmark, built strong for the way you work and play. And by Rosen, visual solutions for complex environments.